right, folks, and welcome to Procreate. So one of the biggest challenges I am not a Mac user. The iPad is probably the only Mac product that I use. I got to admit that both my cell phone and my computer are PC and Android. So one of the challenging parts of working an iPad is being able to transfer files from one device to another. So what I thought I'd do here is I would make a very simple video of how we actually do it. So let's go ahead and get into that. Now, the program that I use 99.9% of the time is Dropbox. Now, you can get Dropbox for free. You get up to 2 gigabytes as of this recording for free as a member. So when you go ahead and do that, what you're going to see is this particular interface. You can just go ahead and create a new folder. Let's call this iPad Downloads. And now, once you're on Dropbox, you go to iPad Downloads, and then what you're going to do is you can put any file you want in that folder. So let's go ahead now, and let's upload a file to Dropbox. So I'm going to go ahead, and I'm going to work in this Procreate lesson here. I've got a Procreate, and we're going to go down. I've got an icon that we'll go ahead and put in. This is exactly how I work in this. So once you go ahead and do that, it puts the PNG in the box. All right, so it's been uploaded. Now, let's go ahead and let's cut to the iPad interface. All right, welcome back to my iPad. So now what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on Dropbox. Now, this is going to be super confusing, right? Down here in this lower right-hand area, you're going to see Photos. So what you're going to look for here under Files is iPad Downloads. All right, so now once you go to Files, you'll see the folder that you created, iPad Download, and you'll see the Procreate icon. Now you'll see these 3 dots. Let's go ahead and click on the 3 dots. In order to get a file from your Dropbox into your iPad, you can go ahead and export it. Now when you export it, you see there's an option here for Save Image. Now it goes ahead and saves the image. Now, what happens when we do that? I can go over here to my photos, and today there is my image in my iPad. All right, so that's how you do it. Let's go ahead and cut back to my desktop right now. All right, so now let's say that you're successful in that transfer. You can go ahead now and delete that image from your Dropbox, and it's gone, existing only on the iPad. All right, so Dropbox for me is the intermediary as a PC user between my iPad and my PC. All right, folks, that's a little bit on how that works. I hope that's helpful because for me, it took a lot of time to figure out what the best software was in order to accomplish this.